when we come and speak about national unity, we do it deliberately because the generation of leaders that we are today, we are intent, we are purposeful on uniting all the people of Kenya without looking at where we came from, not our regions, not our tribes, not our religions, not even our color or our shapes and sizes. We want to unite all the people of Kenya because unity is paramount to the development of our country. Today, Prime Cabinet Secretary, if we speak about respect to these children, we ask them to respect their elders. Even us as their leaders and their elders, we must show respect, not just to them, but also to each other as leaders. That is why I take great exception, because there are leaders who have taken it upon themselves to disrespect other leaders on account of their age, on account of where they come from. And we must tell each other that respect is earned. Respect is never demanded. Respect is never demanded through coercion. You do not demand respect through intimidation. You never demand respect through insults, by insulting other leaders. Because I have had, unfortunately, some of our leaders calling other leaders ngunias na mambo kama hiyo. Hakuna kiongozi ambaye amechaguliwa na wananchi ambaye ni ngunia. Sababu ukiita kiongozi amechaguliwa ngunia, ni wale wananchi wamemchagua unaita tungunia na mangunia. Tuwe ni viongozi wa heshima. Ukitaka kuheshimiwa, ukitaka kuongoza wengine, wewe pia kuwa na heshima kwa viongozi wenzako na uheshimu wananchi ambao wamechagua hao viongozi.